Hello friend, let's go looking for Disney Pixar Cars. Whoa, what is that guys? Look at that. Wow, so cool guys. Wow, look at that. This is Lightning McQueen guys. Wow, so cool. Let's collect guys. Wow, look at that. This is Jackson Strom guys. Hello Jackson Strom. Ho ho, so
Hello.
cool. Wow, look at that. Blue color racing cars guys. Ho ho, so cool. Let's collect guys. Wow, good. Okay, next guys. Wow, look at that. Racing cars. Wow, so cool guys. Wow, let's call it guys. One more. Wow, look at that. This is 2 meter guys. Oh, so amazing. Whoa, okay guys. Let's go looking for Disney Pixar cars. Do 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 do. Whoa, look at that guys. Wow, look at that. 3 cars. Wow, look at that. This is Jackson Strom guys. Hello Jackson Strom. Ho, let's collect. Wow, so good. Wow, look at that. Wow, this is Smokey guys. Pick up truck. Wow, so cool. Oh, let's call it guys. Wow, good. Wow, look at that. So big guys. This is Mack truck. Friend the Lightning McQueen guys. Wow, so big. Let's call it guys. Whoa, look at that guys. Wow, 2 cars. Wow, look at that. This is Lightning McQueen guys.
Hello.
Wow, so cool. Hello Lightning McQueen. Wow, let's call it guys. Wow, so good. Oh, look at that. One more. Yellow car racing guys. Wow, so cool guys. Let's call it guys. Wow, good. Let's go looking for Disney Pixar cars. Oh, look at it guys. Wow, what is that? Wow. Serif cars. Wow, so cool. Let's call it guys. Wow, so good. Okay, next guys. Wow, look at that. This is 2 meter guys. Wow, so cool. Whoa, let's call it guys. 2. Wow, look at that. This is Lightning McQueen guys. Wow, so cool, Lightning McQueen. Oh, good. Okay, one more. Wow, look at that. This is Jackson Strom guys. Hello Jackson Strom. Ho, so cool. Okay guys. Okay, let's go looking for Disney Pixar cars. Whoa. Wow, look at that guys. Wow, racing cars, yellow color guys. Wow, so cool. Let's call it guys. Wow, next. Dinoco. Wow, this is Bobi Swift guys. Wow, let's go. Let's collect. Okay, next. Look at that. This is Mini Cooper guys. Wow, so cool. Wow, let's call it guys. Wow, look at that. Yellow cars Mini Cooper guys. Wow, so cool guys. Let's call it guys. One more. Look at that. Yellow car classic cars. Wow, so cool guys. Okay, let's call it guys. Wow, so good.